everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going for a ride today. You know, sometimes it's just good to get out and to get some relaxation. And I'm taking my mom with me today, so my mom's riding shotgun. And we're gonna stop some places that she hasn't been. Now, I've been to both places, but for all you guys, this is gonna kind of be my new series of videos that I'll drop for you guys about the Maverick. You know, I told you guys I'm just an average guy just doing some things with the Maverick that you all probably will do. Whether you guys find it interesting or not, I'm just going to make these videos just for fun. So you don't have to make videos, or say I don't have to make videos to get likes and subscribers and all that all the time. Sometimes I just want to do it just for fun, and it all ought to be fun. So today my mom and I are taking a little trip out. First stop is one of the places I've been wanting to take her that she has never been, and we pass by it all the time, so I thought it'd be a real treat. And for all of you guys who have never been, the places that we go on these little ride-alongs for now will be places that you might find interesting about the area where I live. And if you looked at the last few videos or you went to the Maverick meetup, you know that I live in the Fredericksburg, Virginia area. So the first place we're going to stop, I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see. And you're going to see a big A pillar because the camera is not in a place where you can see. So I'm going to take it out and let you see. We are heading to Paul's Bakery. Paul's Bakery is one of the famous spots in Fredericksburg.
Are we gonna can I have this cake here?
No, we're not getting any cake here.
What are we getting?
I'm gonna take you inside. I'm gonna show you what we get at Paul's Bakery. Because if you've ever been in the Fredericksburg area, one of those places that is a must stop, one of them is Paul's Bakery and the other one is Carl's Ice Cream. So let's go in, Mom, and I'll show you what we got. There you go. Mom's enjoying her first donut at Paul's Bakery. They gave her a free complimentary
3 of the butter
glazed donut. And they have all kinds of flavors here. You can buy pies. They have eclairs. If you got it, you want it, come to Paul's Bakery. You can get just about anything. Okie dokie, we are now leaving Paul's Bakery. They gave Mom her free donut, and now she is getting in. I couldn't help myself. I got a half dozen. I was only going to get a couple, but you know how that is. Okay, Mom and I are enjoying our Paul's Bakery donuts. I'm telling you, if you haven't had Paul's Bakery, they are so good. They are fresh. They don't save any for the next day. You know how some of these other chain donut stores, how you might be getting yesterday's donuts. No, they don't do that here.
It is so good. Make you almost bite your tongue. Isn't that delicious?
I'm not even going to say it's so good, make you want to smack your mama. You know how people say that. I would never say that to
I
mom.
was going to say that's not nice.
So we're going to finish enjoying our donuts, and then we're going on down the road because we have another stop that I've been wanting to take my mom to that she's never been to. So here we go.
That is a little mustache.
Okay, guys, we are back on the road, and we are going to head to the next stop. Now, we've already topped off with gas, so this is a good opportunity for us to check our gas mileage. So I'm going to reset everything and put the Maverick into eco mode because we're going to get out on the highway. So I'm going to reset it and switch my driving mode to eco. And then we'll see how many miles per gallon that we get.
What is it, family something other? Oh, that's the Family Dollar.
Yeah.
They don't do nothing, do they?
I mean, do nothing.
Yeah, I see the doors closed.
Everybody, it goes in on the side, but it's too early in the day.
What is that called outside?
Family Dollar. There's always people who don't want to spend more than $1, so
Yeah.
those stores are
always
always high on the list of places for people to stop. So.
Old sale furniture. You ever get the furniture there?
All right, we've reset our mileage and we're going to get on the road. And as soon as we get on the highway, I'll tell you what we're averaging. So hang on, everybody. Okay, guys, we have come down the road. We are on our way. One of my favorite sights to see is that big old fish over there on the side.
Oh, look at that. Winding
Yes,
brook.
indeedy.
And that's
Okay, guys, in case you guys haven't guessed it yet, we're hitting one of my favorite places. And so far, we have averaged 37.3 miles to the gallon. Let's just ride on down the road. Maybe come back up.
And they got all kinds of houses and everything.
Yes, indeedy. So I don't think my mom has ever been here before, but
Not since they did all
she's
that.
going today.
Sounds fun.
Any place is fun when you can get out of the house, right, Mom?
That's right.
Wow, look at that big old bear. He's trying to get some of that stuff over there on the ground. It's flying right at
No
us.
trucks or trailers. Oversized vehicle parking. Oh, I thought that was a real animal, isn't it?
Let's hope not, right?
He didn't turn his head, so see, it's just on the thing.
Yes, indeedy. Shouldn't be very cloudy today because it's Wednesday and most people are at work.
Yeah. Where is this?
Bass Pro Shops. You ever been here before, Mom?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, we're going in there today. I gotta pick up a few things. Like I told you, I was gonna bring you with me since I had to come down here and pick up a few things so you can get a little ride, get out of the house.
Yeah.
So that's where we're going today.
And what is
Some
this?
of you guys who have been following the
Outdoor
channel
world.
a while probably
You going to
recognize that yeah, this is where I came in and got my boat a few months back and hauled it in back my Maverick all the way home with
Outdoor
no
world.
help at all. I just drove in there, picked up the boat and came on out. So this is where we're going.
What kind of center is it? Just stores or something?
Bass Pro Shop.
Oh, bass.
Got outdoor stuff.
Okay.
Mom's going in the outdoor world. This should be a treat. Mom gets to get out and I get to get out and spend the day with her. So yeah, we're going into Bass Pro Shops. They have some boats here, not a lot. See a few boat trailers. Boats are like everything else right now. It's hard to get. And they're overpriced like everything else. So used to be they had boats all out here, but there are none out here right now. I think it's hard to get a tracker boat like I had. I used to have a Tracker 1754. This is the kind of boat I used to have. I didn't have a big outboard on mine, but I had the, yeah, it was. I had the 1754 with the seats and the trailer and all that. I didn't have the outboard on mine. Yeah. But this is the only one I see out here. So let's go inside. Here we go, going in. Bass Pro Shops. Virginia's great American outdoor store. So you can get all kinds of stuff. Look at that, beautiful. Turkeys up there and everything. Deer. See the deer up there? See the person climbing the wall? Over here. See the person climbing the wall there? It's a bear up there. See that bear way up there? Way up there. Up in there in the air. See the fish in there?
Yeah.
Real ones. See them swimming? Look over there, the rainbow trout. See them swimming?
Yeah, I see it. There's something over here too.
Yep, it's trout. Look at that big old rainbow in there. Look at him, see him?
Big one, isn't it?
Yeah, he is.
Then we got the little one.
Look at this one over here. Yeah. He waiting to get something to eat.
That water is pure.
Bear and deer up in the air. See that bass up there? He looks a little sickly, don't he? They don't have as many fish in here as I used to see in here.
Well, they got
That's
little
a bluegill. That's a bluegill right there.
The medium-sized ones and the small ones.
There's like a white bass over there. Look at this gar. There's a black crappie right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Black crappie.
Black what?
Crappie. And then he got looks like a gar there. Over there, one, too. I don't see no catfish in there. Oh, there's a big old cat down there.
Right there.
Yep, over there in the corner. He's sitting down. He's down. The catfish stay down low. See his whiskers? Big old black cat over there.
Yeah. In the front.
Nice Bronco. I wouldn't mind having one of those on the way out of the Bass Pro Shops.
What are you gonna do with it all them cars you got in there?
Yeah, that's just my extra car. See, the Maverick would be my daily, and the Bronco would be my car on the side.
Keep living right and being obedient.
Okay, we are leaving Bass Pro Shops. I had so many points on my card that I got $38 worth of stuff, and I only had to pay about 99 cents. Okay guys, we get ready to pull off from Bass Pro Shops. As you can see right now, the mile per gallon for the trip down and around into the place has been 37 miles a gallon. We'll do another check as soon as we get to the house. Okay guys, we took a nice long road trip, total of 78 miles, and we averaged 35.4 miles to the gallon. Hey guys, thanks for going on a little trip with my mom and I. My mom's 86 years old, and yeah, we just need to get her out of the house sometimes, because sometimes when you live alone like that, it's not good. Well, all the times. People who live alone need to be able to get out and, you know, just get out of the house, because your mental health, even for older, even younger people, people struggle when they have to live alone. No one should be alone. Just like when God formed Adam out of the dust of the earth, when he had made everything else, the first thing he said, "It is not good that a man should be alone." So we all need somebody, and we need to be helpers one of another. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. And we're going to be doing some ride along videos. And then, of course, we do have the events that will be coming up. The Night at the Drag Strip on, I believe it's October 21st. I don't have it in front of me, so I could be saying that in the air. I think it is the 21st. And then we'll have the next Maverick meetup coming up in November. So you have time to prepare yourself. I did a little test hit the other night, and the Maverick will actually light up both tires if given enough gas. I really actually never taken off in the Maverick because I really didn't buy it for that, but I'm getting myself ready. So anybody who wants to come out there and run me, you better bring your A game, because I'm going to be on it. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.